Welcome to Technoland Expart. This HTML document represents a complete, well-structured, and modern travel and tourism website, integrating visual appeal, responsive design, and interactive elements through the use of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript libraries. The document begins with the doctype HTML declaration, defining it as an HTML5 page, followed by the HTML lang =n tag, setting the primary language to English for accessibility and SEO optimization. The head section includes critical metadata for browser compatibility and responsiveness. Meta charset equals UTF-8 ensures the document supports all characters. Meta HTTP equiv equals XUA compatible content equals IE equals Edge forces modern rendering in Internet Explorer. And meta name equals viewport content equals width equals device width. Initial scale equals 1.0, minimum scale equals 1 / ensures mobile-friendly scaling. The titled travel website defines the browser tab text. External fonts are preloaded via Google Fonts Railway family, ensuring clean, readable typography consistent with the accompanying CSS. The head also links several essential style sheets. FontAwesome.min CSS for scalable icons like the arrow and menu bars, al.carousel.min CSS and al.theme.default.min CSS for carousel sliders, and style.css the primary custom style sheet controlling layout, colors, typography, and responsiveness. The body begins with a divid equals arrow containing a Font Awesome up arrow icon, a floating button used for scrolling to the top of the page, fixed via CSS at the bottom right corner, improving user navigation and accessibility. Next is the nav element, which defines the fixed navigation bar visible across all pages, wrapped inside a dot container for width control and centered alignment. The dot menu par flex container divides the navigation into three parts. The dot logo par section containing the clickable site logo H2 travel /H2 linking to the homepage, the .nav section holding the menu list, and the mobile toggle button, #ToggleBTN, with a hamburger icon. The .nav section includes a series of list items that form the site's main navigation links: home, travel, book now, gallery, holiday, and blog, all linking to index.html as placeholders. CSS handles hover effects, e.g., animated underline, and color transitions, while JavaScript, via Xtrinoj.js, toggles .nav active for mobile navigation overlays. Following the navigation is the hero header section, implemented with header, designed to fill the full viewport height, 100 VH, and create a visually impactful introduction. Inside, a dot container centers the content, including a dot header info par that holds the animated main heading, a short description paragraph, and a call to action button labeled Read More. The heading uses data attributes, data period and data type, for a JavaScript typing effect that dynamically cycles through inspirational travel quotes. The Slides section features a visual gallery of destination highlights using dot slides as a flex container that organizes multiple .slide_1 elements, each assigned unique classes linking to background images via CSS. Each slide contains a .slideinfo div with a <p tag labeling regions like Outer Islands, Pacific Harbor and Bika, Savusavu and Surrounds, Suncoast, Tavuni, Yasawa Islands, and Nadi. These slides use hover-triggered CSS animations to expand width, unrotate text, and create an interactive visual transition, effectively showcasing different travel areas dynamically without relying on JavaScript. Thanks for watching. I hope you will follow our channel. Please stay with us.